Hi everyone, Angela here. For this project, you'll just need a few scraps. To help with the cutting, I use a small rotating cutting mat and a 4-inch template with silicone grips on the back of each corner. These grips really help keep the template from sliding around on the fabric. Cut out 3 4-inch squares. You'll need one for the back, one for the top corner, and also one for the inner piece. You can use all the same or different fabrics. You'll also need some lightweight or medium weight, non-woven fusible interfacing. Cut out 3 4-inch squares. Have the fabric with wrong side up, put the interfacing on top with glue side down, and press together. Fold the corner piece in half diagonally and press. With right sides together, center the corner piece between the 2 squares, matching all the edges. We'll leave an opening along the bottom here where there's only 2 layers. Mark 1 inch in from each end and clip all around. I'm using a Brother NV50S sewing machine. The link for this and the tools I use can be found down in the description. Make sure to use coupon code NOTCHES NV50S for the special offer. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, start with the back tack at the bottom mark. At the corners, stop 1/4 inch from the edge, have your needle down, lift your foot and pivot. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and leave a comment below. When you get to the other mark, back tack to finish and cut all the threads. Trim the seam allowance on all the corners, making sure not to cut any of the stitching. Turn it right side out and using a knitting needle or a point turner, carefully push out all the corners. Increase the stitch length to 3.5. Fold in the seam allowance of the opening so that it's nice and straight and the edges even. We'll be edge stitching just along these 2 sides. Move the corner piece out of the way, stitch 1/8 inch from the edges, back tacking at the start and finish. Be sure to have a look on my channel for more quick and easy gifts to make. Without the top stitching at the corner, the pages sit nicely inside. And in a pinch, these bookmarks make a handy coaster for your mug or wine glass. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.